Hey guys, for October, I wanted to introduce you guys to oil pastels on black paper. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw this guy right here, this owl and the three pumpkins. You can see what we're gonna do. It'll be so fun. And like I said, we are doing it on black construction paper, okay? So this is one of the ideas. There are other ideas here. You can do a vertical one if you want and put the pumpkins at the bottom and maybe say happy Halloween or happy fall or autumn or whatever you want to say. This can be your moon, and this is all oil pastel, okay? Here's another one up here. His eyes are a little different than the other ones. His eyes are blue, whereas his eyes here are teal, and a lot of times owls' eyes are yellow. So I don't know if I have one. Nope, this one right here has white eyes. So also, there you can do the moon in the background behind the owl, or you can put the moon on the side instead of behind the owl. You can, we are going to draw pumpkins, and this is the one that we're going to do step by step. Okay, we're going to do step by step. And then I did swirls in the background because I can think that's kind of fun. That's what happened in this one right here also. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need is black paper, duh, black paper that is 12 by 18 for our drawing that we're going to do in oil pastels. Now, oil pastels, I always use the Crayola brand because the Crayola brand is really great because they're real soft and creamy. And so you're able to go in and blend really well with Crayola brand. So if you just have Crayolas and crayons, you're not going to be able to blend like I'm blending on this artwork. So you're going to need oil pastels. Now, another brand that is just okay, it's not the best, and it's called Junior, what is it called? Cray-Paz, Junior Artist. Anyway, they're okay. They're not the best. The other thing that you're going to need that we're going to start out with is a white pencil, because we're going to draw everything out in a white pencil first. If you don't have a white pencil, that's okay. In this package of 28, there will be a white one in here, and you can, if you don't have a white pencil, you can use the white oil pastel to create, to do your basic drawing that we're going to be doing. And one last thing, there is a supply list right here below that you can either read it and print it, or you can download it. So anyway, I hope you come join me. Let's draw owls and pumpkins for October.